Why do I sit in silence? Because I need to remember how to be bored. Today, we treat boredom like a disease. The moment we feel it, we run to our phones, to noise, to endless scrolling. But boredom is not our enemy. It is our medicine. We have lost the ability to sit without stimulation, to just be. And that inability is dangerous. A mind that cannot rest, a spirit that cannot sit still, will always be restless, always searching for something outside. When I sit in silence, I relearn how to be bored. And in that boredom, I discover myself. Silence gives me back my attention. It reminds me that nothing is missing. Life is here, in this moment, without a screen, without a like, without a notification. Urban life has trained us to believe that 1 hour without a phone is impossible. But you will not die. Your world will not collapse. I challenge you. Sit outside, in the sun, with nothing in your hands. Let yourself feel the itch of boredom, and do not run from it. Let it burn until it becomes presence. Boredom is a doorway to truth. If you avoid it, you avoid yourself. But if you enter it, you meet your spirit. And in that silence, you will find love. So this is why I sit in silence. Not because it's easy, but because it's necessary. I sit to remember how to be bored. To remind myself that my spirit is louder than my phone. Try it. Tomorrow, or even now, leave your phone. 1 hour in silence will not kill you, but it might just save you. #silence. #presence. Grow with Brabita. We give thanks to the Most High. Ramasedi.